Hi, I'm Imelda Toleos. I'm a Surge Fitness member since February 2021. I like Surge Holy Spirit kasi mas malapit siya sa house namin. And then, ito naman Surge Eastwood, mas malapit naman ito sa workplace ko. Okay, second reason ko kung bakit nagustuhan ko ang Surge, kasi marami siyang ino-offer ng mga group classes na may enjoy nyo. Hindi lang dancing, meron silang yoga, spinning, at kung ano-ano pa, piloxing. Meron pa silang sauna. Biruin mo, meron pa rin silang mga play area na kung saan pwede kang mag-billiard with your friends. At saka may maganda yung kanilang mga waiting area, yung mga chairs nila na pwede kayong magkwentuhan ng mga kaibigan mo after yung mag-gym. And meron din kami dito mga weekly signature events at saka yung mga annual Christmas party nila na kung saan sila merong mga Got Talent contest at I'm proud to say na kami yung nanalo last year.
These beautiful things that I've got, please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please don't take. I found.
To all my family and friends, come on! Try nyo na, Surge Fitness, the Lifestyle Club. Mag-enjoy kayo dito. Let's go!